Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can get music in the sense internal storage music to YT music. See here, this is my Motorola mobile. So for Motorola mobiles, the default music app is YT Music. So even though if I search for music here, only YT music will appear because this Motorola mobile has YT music, and the other music app is I personally downloaded manually by myself by going to Play Store. So in order to get songs from internal storage, what I have downloaded, first of all let me open this YT music app, right? And see here, when I go to home, this is all the online content, okay, online songs and everything, but I want the songs from my internal storage in the sense the songs from my phone. For that, what you can do is you can click on this library option. See here, 1 2 3 for the fourth option, library, and from the top options you need to click on this drop down option here at the top left, drop down, and you will get these three options at the bottom. See here, when you click on this drop down at the top, you will get these three options. What are these three options? Library, downloads, and device files. You need to click on either downloads or device files. So I have chosen device files, and these files are all of my phone internal storage, not linked with the internet, okay? These are my internal storage, and you can just click here. You will get all the files from phone recorder or WhatsApp audio files or downloaded files and everything. And from here also you can just change to download files. This will give only downloaded files. Okay, this is again internal, means internet one, but click on the device files, and here you'll see all the downloaded songs and the audio. So in this way you can play music without ads, even though if you are using this YT Studio with internet connection. See here, my Wi-Fi is turned on, and still when I play these songs there are no ads, okay? That thing I can check because I thoroughly tested this. There were no ads playing in between while playing these music songs. And if you want more details about the other app, which is Music OLED app, just check in the description. I did a separate video for that. You can get to know that app. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.